what's up everyone, and hey Barbies and Kens. Today for you guys is a very informal, random video. I know that, but I just feel like today is go for me, and I've been wanting to show this Goodwill stuff forever. I actually sold some of the stuff that's already in the pile that I'm going to be showing you for my Goodwill haul for February, but I just haven't had time to sit down and do it, honestly. I've either been fighting my illness or just honestly busy with my business or TikTok or it's been wild. But I wanted to show you some of the items that I got, keeping with, that I do this every month, and they're actually in a laundry basket because I used the bag for garbage. Ooh, sorry. So here is everything, and I have it right next to me, which is nice, and I'm going to show it to you. And if something did already sell, I am going to clarify that, but everything that I'm showing you, you can find over on my eBay or my Depop, and the links are down below. So let's get started. This is the only item out of everything I'm showing you that I kept for myself. It is a Cinderella horse, and the reason why I'm keeping it is because I have a beautiful Cinderella doll, and I just feel like they would go really great together, the pair. So these were the items that sold. This little frozen, or oh my god, it's tangled. This tangled chameleon sold. He has to go to the post office. This cat or dog, I'm not really sure which one it is, doodle pets that I found, sold already too, which obviously was a good deal. And this Squishmallow turtle already sold, which was really great. But Squishmallows are so popular right now, it wasn't surprising to me. I also have another Squishmallow, if anybody is interested in him, that I found as well with the turtle. Next, this I couldn't, oh, I'm sorry, her big butt hit you guys. I couldn't go home without her. This is the Screaming Queen of Hearts Disney Store stamped stuffed animal. It's super cute, and I thought somebody who's just in love with Alice in Wonderland would really appreciate this and love it too. We have this little tiger lion cub that I found from the petting zoo, 1994. Yeah, year I was born, so it's as old as me, and it is in great shape. This I got, and it is one of the newer of the animals. What were the name of them? Surprise! Puppy surprise! How many puppies are there inside? Oh my god. Puppy surprise! The surprise pets or something like that? 3 puppies! 2 girls and a boy! I don't even know. This is us on it. Oh, Unicorn Surprise is what this is called. But they were mostly kitties. Oh, kitty surprise, puppy surprise. Oh my god, my brain. Surprise, surprise, puppy surprise. Today. And this one is Rainbow Unicorn. It has none of the babies with it, but I thought somebody would think it's cool and appreciate it and maybe want to purchase it, because I thought it just looked really cool and in good condition. Some of these are in bags, because where I go to the Goodwill, you have to buy stuffed animals in bags. So I didn't choose to get him, but I got this Jelly Belly plush, and he's pretty old. I have to clean him off still. He's a little dirty, but he was in one of the bags. We have Puma. He's so random, but he was also in one of the bags that I got. This tie-dye bunny, which would be great for a bunny lot for Easter, so I'm gonna put that together at some point. This I got for one of my small doll lots. She still smells like strawberries, and she was in one of the bags as well, so I was like, I'll take her. This is really weird to me. It's a TY Beanie Baby, but I think it holds your phone. I'm not really sure. It's really weird and awkward, but he was also with some of the stuff that I got that was already lotted together. And then there was 2 TYs, Ninja Turtle stacker, and then this little whale, which is pretty cute. We got this really cute. He's very just random tiger lion cub. I'm not really sure where he's from, but he's in really good condition. And then we also have a giraffe stackable TY that I found. So I know it wasn't much for this month, but I feel like from what I found, I already sold, like I showed you, a lot of it. And if you check out the links down below, all these items are already up for sale. So if you want to check it out and grab something to have me send to you, that would be awesome. Ow. So you know how when, this is like future Gabby, when I said, I feel like I'm missing something. I got all of this glassware as well when I went, and I knew I was missing something or other. There is this really cool Welch's Gorilla Glass that I got for resale. I think Jelly came in these. I also got this plate for my microwave because 1, it's adorable, and 2, I thought it would be cool instead of the glass always getting dirty and me having to clean it. And for 99 cents, I was like, hell yeah. We got this gorgeous ass mug that kind of matches the plate, but it's definitely a different print. It's not the same company. But yeah, I thought that was really pretty. And then we also have this mug that I got. Super pretty. And yeah. I hope you guys like this video and you enjoy them every month. If you do, please thumbs it up. I know this one, like I said, was very just like out of nowhere, not very traditional. But like I said, I have so much going on today that I feel like I'm not getting to everything fast enough. I even have a box I'm like staring at in the corner, and it's just filled with toys. And these are obviously gonna go, well, the ones that weren't recorded yet, onto my eBay. Like some of them, like these, I want to put in a lot. Oh, I made it into the box. I don't know if you heard it, but he just got thrown into the box. That also made it into the box. Oh my goodness, Kobe. That was the one I missed, of course. Anyways, I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next video.